welcome to our channel. My name is Poppy and this is Iron.
Hi, I'm Iron and I'm very happy to be here today. And guess what? It's my birthday.
Wow, happy birthday to you, Iron.
Thanks, Poppy. And what are we going to draw today?
We are going to draw the Rata trees, one of the well-known native trees in New Zealand. Do you know about that?
Yes, I do. They are known for their bright red colors and
Yeah.
they kind of look like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, and the flowers that appear in perfection from November to January depend on the location, so you can see them on the street quite a lot for a long time. Do you have a Rata trees in your garden?
Not in my garden, but in my grandma's garden, they have a tree there.
Yeah. Have you ever seen a native bird living in the tree?
Yes, I have seen a few too.
That's cool. Okay, let's start to draw the Rata tree. So here are some materials we are going to use for today. The black marker for the draft and two kind of green, one darker one and one lighter one for the branch of the Rata flower. Yeah.
And for the flowers, we're going to use the marker and for the stem and the orange and red.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let's start it. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we use the marker and we need to keep our Rata tree flower in the middle. So we start to draw the main branch, like the long line from here. We can do the top thinner and then it's getting bigger on the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. So you still have some space over here, so you can do the other group of branch a little bit move to the right side. So I'm going to draw 5 group of them, so I stand like 5 group. Okay, you have four group of the flower. So then adding the leaf, you can draw a leaf shape. Around the main branch. Yeah, that looks amazing. Okay, we're adding more details for the leaf. Drawing the middle branch. Okay, so we change to the other side. Ivan, what are we going to draw for this area?
The stamen.
Yeah, so we need to draw the details of the stamen. So we start from each group, start like drawing the stamens. Start from one point. We need to add more for each branch. Some of them can be longer, some of them can be just short lined. This kind of looks like a fireworks, right? Okay, yeah, you're still missing one part. Yeah, can add one more line here. Okay, that's nice. So for the statement, we can add some like little circle for each. Ivan, do you know that bees also love the rata tree?
I did not know that.
Yeah, they are making like a rata tree's honey.
Oh.
That's kind of very popular native trees in New Zealand, isn't it?
Yes.
People and native animals love that. That looks so nice. We can also add like the really short lines for each gap, make it more details. Then we can add in more details for the branch like that, like the cat shadow. And the details for the leaves. Wow, Ivan, your rata trees looks so amazing. Okay, so we still have some space in this area, right? Can you try to draw a smaller one, like just 2 branches of the rata tree flower? Draw a smaller one, the mini one. You can change to the both sides first. Yeah, that looks so nice. Yeah, that's nice. So details. Okay, don't forget to draw leaves.
Oh yeah.
For the smaller one, you just need to add like 2 leaves or 3. I'm going to write down here. Well done, Ivan. You got it. You're really good at drawing the rata tree's flower now. Okay, after we finish the draft, let's start to color in, okay? So we use the orange, use the both sides for the first layers of the rata tree flower. We start here, draw the first layers. And while you're using your marker, you can do like push harder than just going out lighter to draw the texture of the flower. It's just the first layer, it don't have to be perfect. We're going to color the second one with the red color. Don't forget the mini one.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's change to the red color. And for the red layers, we can use our marker. Like you need to push your marker like all in the paper, like that way. Yeah, we can also use the thin sign for more details. For the thinner statement. Okay, let's color in the branch. We use the darker green for the main part. While we're coloring, we need to follow the way with the branch growing. I will hold the paper like that. Okay. Yes, awesome, Ivan. And don't forget to color in the leaf also.
Okay.
Yeah, that's such a perfect color in. Okay, so for the final step, we use the lighter green to color in the leaf. Well done, Ivan. Let's see, we still got some space on the bottom. So, could you write down like Rata trees flower? Write down the name of this work. Yeah, then our picture looks like getting a balance of the space, right? Okay. Well done, Ivan. We did amazing work today. So this is our final result of the Rata flower today. So at the beginning, you draw your flower on the right side and got too much space on the other side, right? So we will draw a smaller one that is looking better now.
Yeah.
Even better than mine now, okay?
And it's not that hard. I enjoyed it, and I got to do 2 of them. I like the colors of the leaf and the stem.
Yeah, and you already know how to draw the Rata tree flower now. Okay, thank you guys for watching our tutorial. If you have any question or anything you would like us to draw next time, please comment below.
And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to us.
See you next time. Bye.